Hello and welcome. I imagine you know where this place is. That is quite correct. Westminster Abbey. Inside the church, they ask you not to touch the walls and memorials. Can you imagine why? Well, as the building has been here for hundreds of years, people's fingers and hands can wear away the stone or even break things. Even adults break things sometimes by accident. For me, the biggest reason is dirt. People's hands are so dirty. Here at the Abbey, they have a team of people who help to clear away hundreds of years of dirt. My name is Florence, and I am well known for encouraging people to wash their hands. How often do you wash your hands? And how long do you wash your hands for? Good. Here in the Abbey, they like to remember well-known people. Artists like William Shakespeare and Jenny Lind. Priests like Martin Luther King and John Wesley. You'll hear more about him from the Museum of Methodism. But my favourites are the memorials to scientists like Charles Darwin and Stephen Hawking. I do rather love numbers and analysis. I am famous for using numbers to help make hospitals safer. There are memorials with my name on all over the country, including at St Paul's Cathedral. But here in the Abbey, there is a chapel named after me, the Florence Nightingale Chapel. It doesn't just remember me, but all nurses, including those who are working today. Look at this wonderful window. Along the bottom are badges that represent the different types of nurses and nurses from different places. It looks a bit like Doris Benjamin's cape from the Jewish Museum, doesn't it? And look, here is a badge from the Order of St. John. And then there is such a wonderful image of a nurse beneath a rainbow. Rainbows are wonderful things, aren't they? It always fills my heart with such joy when I see one. There is a famous rainbow in the Bible that brings hope to Noah and his family when they are on the ark. Perhaps you know this story. The LGBTQ+ community have used the rainbow as a symbol of pride for many years. More recently, people put rainbows in their windows to support nurses and NHS workers. Did you put one in your window? The Abbey celebrates nurses every year with a special service. The Abbey is full of nurses and a procession is made through the church with a nurse carrying a lit oil lamp. Did you know that the newspapers used to call me the lady with the lamp? Let's light a candle together and take a moment of silence to remember all those who have cared for us and for those that we love. Thank you. To continue supporting our nurses and all our NHS workers, we are challenging you to look for as many rainbows as you can. You can find rainbows in all sorts of places, but you can even make your own. Why not download the activity below and start making your own rainbows? Do send us photos of any rainbows that you find or rainbows that you make using the hashtag #HealthyHalfTerm. We hope you enjoy meeting all of our Faith and Heritage Learning Network friends this week. Have a happy and healthy half term. And keep washing those hands.